Okie dokie. Ho ho. Bingo. Ho ho ho.
Oh, a promise is a promise. For now, I don't really make promises that much, but we are back with one more Tomica, Thomas and Friends short reaction. This is the moment we've been waiting for. We have now reached to the second Halloween special. Tomica special Halloween special short. Slender Engine in the 8 trucks. Based on the game. Based on the Slender Man game. Slender Man in the 8 pages. This one now concludes my Tomica, Thomas and Friends short reaction for now this month. Woo! I wonder how scary this gonna be. I really wonder how scary this gonna be. Okay, without further ado, let's jump right into this so I can confirm and complete 10 more of the Tomica, Thomas and Friends shorts reactions. Let's see how really scary this will be.
It was Halloween evening on the island of Sodor, and the engines at Tidmouth Sheds were getting ready for the costume party.
Look at Gordon and James'
Thomas
costume.
was dressed as an ancient Egyptian mummy. The big engines, on the other hand, were going as the Avengers.
Hey, Emily.
Gordon was going as Captain Sodor, James was going as Iron Train, and Henry was going as the incredible piece of scrap.
What?
Percy was planning on going
Gordon
as
was dressing up
Frankenstein,
as Captain
but was yet to
America,
get
by the
into
way.
costume. Suddenly, the fat
Oh,
controller
Percy don't have
arrived.
a costume.
Edward has gone totally senile in his old age and lost the 8 trucks full of food for the costume party that he was supposed to be bringing. They're scattered throughout Henry's forest, so I need an engine to go and collect them and bring them to the party. Any volunteers?
Yeah, any volunteers?
I'll go. I love the forest.
Yep.
Henry,
love the
please,
forest.
I've already had one delayed tonight. I need an engine I know isn't going to stuff everything up.
Oh, you fat!
Anyone else? None of the other engines
You
wanted to
fat
go. They wanted to
asshole!
finish getting ready and go straight to the party. Percy, how
Treat
about you?
Henry like
Me?
that.
Alone in the forest?
Oh.
On Halloween night?
Oh my.
Yes, you're a total sissy and could use some hardening up.
But I'm not even in costume yet.
Oh, that's fine. You can just share your green caterpillar with red stripes.
This fat asshole!
Well, that
bro!
settles that. Now, if you'll
This
excuse me, I have to
asshole!
go get into my Slender Man costume for the party.
Now I'm gonna take that hat and I'm gonna show your
yeah.
baldness in front of everybody.
What's a Slender Man?
Think Mr. Percival, but with no face.
Oh my.
Oh, and he takes children.
That sounds scary.
Oh, he is. But it's
no.
not the Slender Man you need to be worried about, Percy.
Is that a...
It's the Slender Engine that'll get you.
There's no such thing.
Au contraire.
Is he a
The narrow
rapist?
gauge engines have told me that he lives right here on the island, hiding.
Oh, I
amongst the
remember those
trees,
narrow gauge
waiting for
small
the perfect
engines
moment to strike.
in another railway.
Some say he's the reason that so many engines on Sodor seem to go missing and are never seen again, like Duke and Stepney, and all the one-off characters Hit introduced. So don't take too long, Percy, or he'll get you too.
Oh, God damn stupid Edward.
And Percy puffed away.
I'm so glad I peeped that out. Tomica, Thomas and Friends. Short 20. And this one now concludes DieselD199 reaction. Slender Engine in the 8 trucks. Let's see how creepy it is. Oh. Collect all 8 trucks. That's your mission, Percy. Collect all the 8 trucks and don't fuck this up.
There's the first truck.
Ooh.
Always watches.
No eyes.
What the heck? How did that get on there? Never mind, let's just get it.
No one knows. No one knows. You better collect all 8 trucks or you're fucked, Percy. Collect all 8 trucks or you're fucked. Oh, holy shit.
What's that?
Ooh. Sound
Time
like
to get going.
sounds like huffing. Huff. Huff.
Oh no. Which way now? Right.
Okay, this is not a laughing matter. Okay, Percy is actually
Second truck.
all alone.
What the? Can't run?
Nowhere to run
He's been riding on the trucks.
and nowhere to hide. I mean, okay, your
It's 2 out of 8.
your buffer lamp is showing.
Scary sounds. I don't like this.
Your headlamp is showing.
Hurry.
You should probably turn your headlamp off so he don't find you.
The third truck. Yes.
Oh God, help me.
Help me? So strange.
Oh God, oh God. Oh boy. Oh God. Oh, dead end. Oh, he's backing away. He's backing up. He's backing up. Wait, it's a dead end.
I really need to get out of here quick.
Go, Percy!
I'll have to go right.
Go, Percy! Oh!
The Slender Engine! He's real!
Oh! Oh!
Oh my god, there he is again!
Oh!
Get away from me!
Run! 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 Run, bitch! I just love the Slender Engine dressing up as Donald. It's a Donald impersonation. It's a Donald Slender Engine impersonation. Oh, is Edward? Is that Edward? Is that Edward? It's a peanut bear!
Now, what do we have here?
It's a peanut bear! It took me all these years to figure out that joke. Oh my God! Edward's a pedal bear! It took me all these years to figure this out. All these years! You cannot fool me, DieselD199! You cannot fool me! You can't fool me! You can't fool you! That ain't no regular bear! That ain't no the bear stain bears! Consume! It's a certain type of bear! Consume! Yeah! Yeah! Happy Halloween! I'm done. I'm done. That is an entire 10 more of the Tomica Thomas and Friends shorts. I'm done. This was really good. This was well done. This was my childhood, bro. This was my Tomica Thomas and Friends childhood. This is literally my favorite Sodor childhood. I will never forget. Oh my God, bro. You cannot tell me. You cannot tell me. You can't, bro. Edward. Now I feel so bad for the Slender Engine. I feel bad for the Slender, bro. When I first watched this, I thought Edward was gonna, you know, like, get attacked when he saw the Slender Engine. I was super young, okay, guys? I was so young. I thought Edward was dressing like a regular bear. Like a regular, you know, a bear with ears, bear ears. But he wanna play. He want a play date. He want a play date. Eddie Murphy want a play date with his Slender Engine, who's dressed up like Donald. I just love how the Slender Engine Donald is dressing up as a Slender impersonation, like, oh God, why do I have to be a part of this? Why, laddie? Why, laddie? Why do I have to be a part of this? I don't like this script. I don't like this script. I hate this script. Kill me. Kill me. Like, he is so muffled underneath that paper. He is so muffled. Nobody know what the fuck he's talking about. Poor Donald. And what happened to your tender? What happened to your tender, Donald? Your tender's been scrapped or something? Holy shit. Took me all these years to figure this joke, man. It took me all these years. That one now concludes my Tomica, Thomas and Friends reaction. Man, I want to continue finish them up, but I guess I will see y'all next month. Next month, I'll probably finish up some more of these shorts. Probably in the mid or late November, maybe that. But we're going to take a break from Tomica. Oh, I'm really having so much a blast time reacting to them. Holy fucking shit! Halloween is almost there. We got like, what? 3 more days before Halloween. 3 more days before Halloween. Oh, yo, I made so many recordings. I might like hurry up and finish posting and probably post like half of the later fucked up reactions I made previously and post them on Halloween. I still got time to post. Edit and post. It's gonna take a long time of editing and probably short time of posting. But it's gonna take a while of editing thumbnails and titles and all that other stuff from Google Images. Screenshots to Google Images. Guys, Slender Engine in the 8 trucks was by far one of my favorite Halloween Tomica, Thomas and Friends short. Oh my God! Does Edward has a fetish for the dead now? Yeah, he has a kinky fetish for the dead. Thanks for watching.